Structure of a typical neuron. The nerve fiber or the axon of the neuron is usually covered by a cellular neurilemma. Some may have an additional fatty sheath called myelin sheath. The myelinated nerve fibers show constrictions at regular intervals called the nodes of Ranvier. Some nerve fibers may be as long as 1 meter long. The function of a neuron is to transmit impulses. It happens through the axon as a wave of electrical potential difference between the inside and the outside of the membrane covering the axon. Types of neurons. The three main classes of neurons, according to their individual functions, are sensory neurons, afferent neurons. They carry the nerve impulse from different parts of the body to the brain and spinal cord. Motor neurons, that is, afferent neurons. They carry the nerve impulse from brain and spinal cord to body parts, like muscles and glands, that act as effectors, carry out the response. Connecting neurons. They carry the nerve impulse from sensory neurons to motor neurons. These are found exclusively within the spinal cord and the brain. They are stimulated by signals reaching them from sensory neurons, other connecting neurons, or both. They are also called association neurons or interneurons. Activity. Try to collect the information about central nervous system in detail. Try to find out about the various defects which can harm our central nervous system. What are the various ways and methods which can be used to focus one's concentration through central nervous system? Try to get information about them. Activity. To understand the structure and function of a neuron. Structurally, a neuron is made up of three parts: cell body or cyton, dendrites, axon. Cell body is like a typical cell containing a muscles and a granular cytoplasm. Dendrites are short branched processes of the cell body. Axon is a single long processes arising from one region of the cell body. It has an insulating and protective sheath of myelin made up of fat and protein. Remember, the functional junction between two neurons is called synapse. The information passing through neurons is in the form of chemical and electrical signals called nerve impulses. Now, functionally, dendrites carry the nerve impulses towards the cell body. Dendrites convert chemical signals into electrical signals, that is, impulse. Cell body interprets the signals and conducts it through axon. Axon is a specialized nerve fiber that conducts nerve impulses away from the cell body to another neuron or tissue through synapse. Terminal end of axon, that is nerve endings, convert electrical signals, that is impulse, again into chemical signals, which diffuse at synapse to the dendrites of another neuron And this way, this cycle continues from one neuron to another. Neurons group together to form a nerve. Nerves are spread out in all parts of the body.